The ROVSUN 28,000 British thermal units tri-zone mini-split offers versatile climate control with its 3 indoor units, each with its own controller, making it perfect for maintaining individual room temperatures. This mini-split system is designed to perform efficiently across various environments with its powerful inverter and heat pump capabilities, even down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Engineered with advanced inverter technology, this air conditioning unit achieves a 20 SEER rating, providing significant energy savings while maintaining optimal performance. The system's compatibility with mobile apps and voice control, including Alexa and Google Assistant, allows for convenient temperature adjustments from virtually anywhere. This unit arrives pre-charged for up to 25 feet, simplifying installation and ensuring that all components are ready for a professional setup. ROVSUN's mini-split system is ideal for both residential and commercial spaces, providing reliable and efficient heating and cooling solutions for bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and more.